Hello everybody and welcome to my first Arduino tutorial. And yeah, the face cam is back, so it was a little software problem, but now it's fixed. And I wanted to do this Arduino tutorial because I thought that it would be important, so you could learn Python, Arduino, and a bunch of other things that I'm not going to tell you now because it's a surprise. Okay, so today is the first video of Arduino, and I will be showing you how to install the Arduino IDE. So go on your browser. So mine is Google Chrome. Open it and type in Arduino, then hit enter, and then you should come to this site called www.arduino.cc, and then open it, and then you come here, and it's great site. Just go here and software to the home, stores, software, education, resources, community, and help. So go to software and downloads, and then you have this Arduino web editor. That's not what we're going to use. So go down. You go down, and I think I went a little bit. Okay, there you go. Here it is. Download the Arduino IDE or IDLE, which one you want. So here it is for the Mac OS, for the Linux, and for the Windows. So for Windows, I'll use this one, Windows Installer, because mine is a Windows 10. So Windows XP and up, you'll use that one. And yeah, so click on that, and then it says, "Oh, do you want to give us a donation?" And I'm poor, so no. Just download. And then yeah, so while it's downloading, why I chose to do this Arduino because no, the Python tutorial for beginners is not done. It's just that I wanted to do multiple things on my channel, Arduino software, hardware, a bunch of things, because you know that later on you could do some Arduino with Python projects, but that will be later on, more later in this tutorial series. Um, so yeah. By the way, I will link the Arduino motherboard and breadboard in the description, because you'll need this for the series. This, and there's a bunch of other components. So for this series, I'll link it in the Amazon. I mean, the Amazon is the official kit for Arduino. It's official starter kit of the Arduino. So there's the motherboard here. The motherboard, they call it motherboard. It's the Arduino Uno. And then there's the breadboard where we'll do other components. And yeah, so it costs like about $130, and just buy it, and you'll be good to go for this whole series. So yeah, that's the official Arduino starter kit. That's the one I bought. It's very good. I bought it twice just to make sure. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So Arduino, basically, Arduino is hardware and software. So yeah, I agree. Next, uh, install. So now that's why you need to buy something, because that's for the hardware. Now the software is free, we just downloaded the software, and the hardware is not free. So you use the hardware with the software. So basically, like, let's say you put a bunch of stuff on the hardware, you make it work with the software. So let's say you put a light, okay, light emitting diode, short for LED, or LED short for light emitting diode. Uh, Yellow LED here. Let's say you put it on the Arduino. Well, how are you gonna light it up? Because it doesn't have instructions to light up. Does it light up 1 second? Does it light up the whole time? Does it do like 1 second stop, 1 second continue? And that's how you do it with the code. So yeah, that's for the software and the hardware. So while it's downloading, I'll just wait. And yeah, how you connect the Arduino software to the hardware? There's this USB device here. So this end goes to the computer, this end goes to the Arduino, as you can see. like this. And if you don't have a computer, you can use a 9 volt. So as you can see here, it goes into the Arduino, and this goes into the computer. So if you don't have a computer, there's this thing here. It's for 9 volt. 9 volt batteries. It works the same way. Just put your pin here. Yeah, and it works. Yeah, basically, if you have a 9 volt battery. But I just use my computer. So yeah, just put it back. Take some time, but it's definitely worth it. So let's continue. Alright, fast. So the Arduino, it's a lot like C++ code. C++ is another programming language like Python, JavaScript, Java, all programming language, because C++ actually was made, no, Arduino was made by C++, so they kind of resemble. So if you already know C++ and you're watching this tutorial, then then you're very familiar with Arduino. You're gonna know some other things there. So yeah, but they are all similar to me. um, so yeah, whatever HTML stuff. All right. So in the back of the Amazon starter kit, there's a bunch of things. There's LEDs, sensors, wires, a bunch of stuff. I didn't say all of them, but obviously there's a lot of stuff for $130. And there's also a book that comes with it. So if you want to learn more by my tutorials, there's a book of 170 pages, and I read it like twice, I think, just to make sure I got it right. And it's a really good book. I would recommend it to you. So it comes with a book, bunches of components, and I think there's 15 projects inside. So yeah, it's a good starter kit. So, and it's the official starter kit by Arduino, so that's why I bought it. Just to make sure it's good quality. Um, would you like to install the device software? What is that? Adafruit. Yeah, install it. Yeah, Adafruit. Yeah, install that. I'm not gonna explain what Adafruit is right now. All right, close it. Now go to your start. When it's finished, type in Arduino. Open it. And then normally, when I open the Arduino, I have to open it twice. So because like normally it just shows the screen, and it just stops. Okay, so just open. Let me just pin it to taskbar. Okay, so pin to taskbar. Now it's here, and then I can put it. No, not here. Here. Okay. Now let me just close this and open a new file. So this is what you're gonna have when you download your Arduino. So you might ask, like, what is this void? What does that mean? What does that mean? Okay, so now void setup is like the place where you put all of your stuff to run once, and the void loop is to put all your stuff to run repeatedly, like it said here. Put your setup code here to run once. Put your main code here to run repeatedly. So basically, what is this double slash? What it does, it's a comment. So basically, it tells the Arduino that it should not read what's inside of here, because this is not Arduino code. This is just for the users to know what it means. So that it's double slash, and that double slash for the comments. Yeah, and in Python, I don't know why I didn't say, but in Python it's actually a hashtag. So it's a hashtag, and then you put whatever you want. But in here it's double slash. So now that you have that, it's not set up. So hopefully you already bought your super starter kit or starter kit for Arduino. So then you plug into the USB to the Arduino. I can't show you, but it's plugged in. And then you're going to go to your tools. And then you're going to the port COM3. That should be only one. But mine is COM3. Yours could be COM11. That's the port the software and the hardware will speak on. If you don't have the port selected, just make sure you select it, because it might give you errors. It already happened to me. And then the board, make sure that you bought the Arduino Genuino Uno. Okay, so that's Arduino Uno, Arduino Genuino, same thing. And there's a bunch of other Arduinos, but for now we use the Arduino Uno. So yeah, that's gonna be it for setting up the Arduino and then installing it. I don't think I did I miss anything? No, I don't think so. So yeah, and by the way, if you want to run your code, it's verify, so it saves whatever. Okay, now it runs your code. It checks your code if it's good, but it doesn't run with the hardware. It doesn't run with the hardware, so just checks your code if it's good. And then if you want to run the whole thing, it's upload. So done compiling, it says okay, it's very good, etc. Anything, whatever. So now it uploads, and obviously it's not going to give me an error because I didn't put anything on here. So done uploading. So let's see if there's an error, okay? Let me put this. Obviously this is an error. So compiling sketch. So this is how an error looks like. So it says error was not declared in the scope. Exit status 1. So that's the error and here. So it says, oh, well, what is this? What does that mean? I never saw this before. And yeah, basically that's how error looks like. I just wanted to show you how an error looks like, so you don't get shocked if you ever get an error. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, comment in the comments, subscribe for more, like, share if you enjoyed, and I'll post the starter kit for Arduino and Amazon. It costs like $130 in the link in the description. Alright. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.